Hey, it's me, BTnGy, and this is my show. I'm bored. I wanted to fashion microwave this. My first, well, not my first item, but my first item today is going to be an egg. And there's my microwave. Okay, opening it up. Here's the inside. Markers and Sharpies make great things to paint the inside with. Close. My trademark time, 4 minutes. And start. Start from our earlier experiments. Okay, 1 sec. Yeah. Okay, there's your problem. Should be in the middle. Yeah, you can't see as clearly through it now as you used to in some of my other videos. Because, well, it got charred, you could say. Yeah, but there's the egg. You can kind of see it in the reflection of me. It's yet to explode. More sparks. You can kind of hear it. Oh! Stop. Hey, look! I have a hard-boiled egg. It smells great. If you don't like the smell of eggs, it smells terrible, but it smells great. I love eggs. Yeah, there's that. Some shell. There's a bunch of egg crap. And, yeah, this has been a Poly Productions. Yeah, I'm changing it, but just send me something I can use. Yeah, that's not pretty. Peace out.